Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring all-wheel drive, stock number E1365B. 109,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, jet black in color. CX-5 is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, backup camera, lots of cargo space in the rear, split seat folds easily with the pull of a handle, this Grand Touring has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, start, large easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync to Pandora radio apps. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Dimming mirror with HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this CX-5 has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this CX-5, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.